buy it for me?
It's still fucking cute, but it's auto, man.
Sell it. I love autos. Sell it to me.
Well, this front suspension is something.
I'll take it as is. I'll give you 65 right now. Right now.
No, I reckon if I just do a little bit of work, there's stupid things, like the door locks. So yeah, after the second alteration, we're still not right with this. I'm also noticing now that the last bow is actually skew. So the soft top's not going to come right unless we do that. These darts also, they're a bit funny. We've added on here so that it can pull down. But yes, this is such a difficult job. We've added on here that's going to go around the front, and we've added on here so that's going to go all the way around this piece of wood. But I don't want to cut anything yet until we know where and how. God, this is a job and a half. Anyway, the old thing is not much to go by. Also it depends on where these things. I can't put the inner lining on yet because I don't know what's the position of these going to be. So I'm fiddling with backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards. Then, I don't want to make too many bloody holes in it. Then the first time I took it away, we added this on because this must pull around here. See. And this was too short, so we added that on because this is actually loose and we've got to get enough tension on it when it's, obviously that all gets cut off and then there's going to be a finishing spot. But just to get it all to stretch to the correct thing is like quite a mission, man. You pull here and it goes out there. Then it was too short in the front, so I added this on. Because this has got to go around.
Yeah.
Okay. But now you pull it, and here, there's nothing here, hey?
That's so odd.
There's nothing there at all. So we've got to go and eventually get it around, and hope to hell this is actually going to work. I didn't want to cut here yet, because it's all about positioning, and it's trying and trying and trying, and fiddling, and then like, man.
But you're winning, my man.
Well, yeah. You see, so now, I mean, the original darts were here. This I can still move, but then you move it and it pulls slack here. This one now we opened here, and I'm actually just going to glue it so that he can then sew over it again here to get it to fit properly. But now this is an issue. Now we put a rubber part underneath it. I think this is never going to pull out. So I think what he's going to have to do is open this. I've got enough material and sew another piece in here so that we'll just have a seam on there. But it is what it is, But yeah, we've been on this almost 2 days, just fucking around, Oops. And then the one side you think is going to fit nicely, and this side doesn't. Now watch.
And then you get this side to fit nicely, and then that side fucks up.
Exactly. And there's nothing to go with,
Yeah.
So we.
But it's looking good, my man.
It's like, oh man, it's trial and error until we get it right,
Yeah.
And then we found that the frame was a bit too low on that side. So if you come to
So
the back,
it's bent or?
No, it's the mounting holes. So we had to elongate the mounting holes because now the frame is basically parallel with this.
Yeah.
But it was a bit lower on this side, so we had to take the panels off inside again, lift it to get it right. I mean,
and you say the Porsche, you doing tie rod ends.
No,
and
I want to
bushes
see
and
what it looks
stuff
like
that.
underneath and.
Yeah, you must bring it to the lift.
No, but we figured out. I mean, definitely
And
the
this-
tie rod ends are shot.
This roof came out nice.
That roof came out okay-ish, yeah.
Okay-ish. looks pretty good.
Okay-ish. You see what I forgot to do underneath here is I thought the interlining between the inner and the outer was still okay. I should have put an extra one in because now it's a bit lumpy here.
I know.
But I can open it again and put, you don't stop learning, mate. You don't stop learning.
It's the fun of the game, though, man.
I know. But you see, that looks cuck. Yeah. It's got to be right. And then you move the arms because there's supposed to be straps holding the arms.
Oh.
But you don't know what position the arm must be in. So I've got pieces of string there now holding it, and I can adjust the string
Okay.
to move the bows, I should say.
Yeah.
You know, so I'm sitting inside and Gerald's juggling it and I'm putting here and like, yes, man. That's man. I want this thing on its wheels and I want this thing out of here and then put the chrome on, and that's going to be the fun part.
The chrome is coming next week.
Next week, yeah. Right, so we have prepared the floor now with the underfelt. Glued that in. Also for sound dampening. Oopsie. Now we're going to start while we wait for the soft top to get altered for the third time. There's our carpet. We're cut and trim and stick in here. That's going to get very interesting. Cool. We'll make progress as we go. The work continues. Carpeting now. Fitting 8 side panels for the bottom of the doors. Those 2 of them, we cover them with carpets. Parcel shelf is done. Here's our cutting table, nice cutting table. On the top of a 944 Porsche. And there we go. So we've made a side panel in the front. The other one has to go in here. That's working well, Gerald.
Very well.
Very well, fantastic. So then we'll do this side, the firewall, the tunnel, found the rubber there, and then the interior is just about done. Back seats can go back in. We're still waiting for the upholsterer to get the thingy back here, but it's really making nice progress now. Sits in the back and thinks he's in a mobile lounge. Can you see?
Okay.
Okay, is it yeah, lekker. Coming on. No, put it upside down on the magnetic thing there.
No, it's fine. There's magnet here, more magnet.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, alright, you know.
Alright.
This way, yeah.
So we get in there, we've got the tunnel done now. Got these panels back, and we've got the soft top back, which we're going to try and put on later on. Anyway, so that's going to start looking really smart. And the dashboard and everything comes in. Looking tit, I say. I can also not say that online, eh? Hannah, you better edit this. So we finished the carpeting. Looking good. Looking good. Seats in, dashboard in, soft top on, wheels on. Let's go for a drive. Looking sweet. I think over here we're going to put a chrome tube over here. I think that'll work well. And there, that can stay black so that when that chrome folding thing comes on here, it'll look quite cool. Anyway, all good. Sweet. Just save some of those offcuts. Oh, jeez, this is so difficult. We had the outside one made to fit. I modified it, but now the inside one will work like this, but I just don't know if the bows are in the right position. So it is so tricky. So tricky. So now we're going to take the inner lining off again with the bows in that position, and then see how the outer one fits. Yeah. This has been a nightmare, this soft top. Okay, we sort of worked out now that Hopefully this is the right position. I'm going to glue this all in because the inner's got to be right and the outer. What a headache. Anyway, we'll see how we go with that. Fucking thing right here. Okay, I don't know how we're going to finish this. The Sharky's already making a cover for this. Okay. Okay, the problem is now this corner. This corner. How am I gonna fucking do this? How am I gonna get in here? No. You see where I am here?
Yeah.
Can you push this in? I don't know. Let's see. Then that finishing strip can go over that. This one is going to be an issue. How am I going to fucking do this? Is there any way you can push this piece further into the corner? There.
Oh, give me 1 second.
Yeah, well, that's not bad. Okay. Now this one must be pulled down. We've got to figure out a way how to attach it here. Top. How can I get light on here and film at the same time for the inside? Does that work?
No.
Huh? There. No, there.
Oh, okay.
So that's the inner lining now going on. We're going to glue the front. It actually worked out very well. And we've got to put a cover strip or something over the back there where it's attached. And the sides and the top are looking good. Looking really good. Okay. And once we've got this on, then the top can come on. This has been a whole day's work. It's been crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Anyway, to get everything to fit and pull nicely. Then we still got to have the interlining that's going to go onto there. This interlining here. So that it pulls nicely. Anyway. Hope it doesn't fly off in the wind. Alright, so now we've managed to see how it looks like with the interlining. Does seem to fold. Stanley, come and pull here. Let's just see how this works. The hand's clean. Just here. Just lift here. You hold the rest, Gerald. I want to see how that. Oh shit! How it works. Okay, lift. Hold the top. Yeah. That seems to work. Okay. Now there, that is going to have to roll up somehow on there. Okay, that's fine. When the top is on. Alright. That's cool. But I wonder now, are you going to see this?
I think we have to...
Or does it roll the other way?
No, it rolls like this, I think.
Okay, but we can still clean this up in here. That's fine. That's not an issue. We can put a piping in there or something. Oh. Okay. Carry on.